Anvil's been a big believer in dash cams for a while now. The ability to recall video was a game changer. They may have had an incident with someone. We already see the data. Now we get it very quickly, whether it's a video on demand or a specific clip that was generated because of an incident. I remember specifically 2 vehicles that passed each other, big trucks, they hit mirrors. Nobody did an inspection on that mirror the next day. It was broken. Nobody was at fault. Just a weird occurrence. It reinforced all the things we were trying to do with Tenna already. We are a part of an insurance collective with other contractors, and now that they just expect it. One particular case where I think we saved probably $100,000 to $150,000 claim on some damaged equipment near one of the airports around here. That pays for a lot of cameras. So it doesn't have to happen that often, whether it's the initial cost or the monthly cost or everything else is pennies compared to what you can save.